Oh no! Someone is sneezing and not covering their mouth. You don't want to make other people sick. There are germs that you breathe out and don't even realize it. When you sneeze, you can spread them to other people, which can make them sick.
If you can catch your sneeze, then you won't make other people sick. First, realize that you are going to sneeze. Then, get ready with a tissue or your arm. Lastly, sneeze away the right way.
Remember, don't sneeze into your hand, sneeze into your arm, like this. Don't forget to wash your hands after.
Thank you so much for watching our video. Remember to stay happy and healthy.
See ya!